Hi Teresa, I also thought I would just show this to you real quick since I have to do it. I'm going to take your image here and optimize it. So first what I'll do, simple is just you go to save for web and devices. And before I do that, I always just check and make sure that the image size, and we see it's at 72 resolution, which is what we want, 72 pixels per inch. This is a good size. WordPress will size it down for your other needs. So I'll just click OK there. And then I click Save for Web and Devices. And then what you're going to want to use is JPEG. Anytime for photographs you want to use JPEG, it'll be a lot smaller than anything else. You can see here, if I see down here, ping 8 is 144 JPEG high, and you want to use high. You got a lot of different settings here. High is good. And then you just click Save. And I'm going to put this in here. And you couldn't see the save, but that clicks it, and so that's optimized it, made it a fair amount smaller. All right. Okay, Teresa, now I'll show you how to update your About page. What I like to do is log in, and then instead of trying to find the page in the back end, I just come around to the front of the site. And then you can see edit page right here, so then I can just go directly to that page from here. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll probably be in visual mode like this is, and I'm just going to get rid of this picture here. So I click this, and I'll just leave my cursor there and go to Add Media and select Files, and then I'll go to where that was. Whoops, wrong one. And we'll get this one here and upload it, which I'm sure you're familiar with doing. And then what I always do here is add these titles and alt tags. Can't type. And I always put the title, and the alt text is very important. Then here's your settings here. We're going to align it left like we did before. And then you've got the sizes you can choose, the full size, which we don't want, and I always choose medium. A thumbnail is cropped, so we'll just use medium and insert into page, and then there's that. And then I'll find your text that you wanted to put in there. Let's see, here it is. Just copy that. I'm not sure if you wanted those links left there. I'll just leave them for now. You can get rid of them if you want. And I'll just paste it in here. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Then what you can do for paragraphs is, for instance, should be another paragraph. You just put your cursor there, do a backspace or delete to bring it up to the next line, and then hit return. And that'll give you a paragraph. Same here with think. And that gives you a paragraph. Now if you just wanted to go one line, for example, then you would hit shift and then return. That would just give you just a line break. But we want paragraph. And like I said, I'll leave those links there for now. Just let me know about that. And then let me just bring this in to show you. And then just hit update. And then whenever I update pages, I always just go right in and take a look at it just to make sure there's nothing weird about it. Okay, and there you go. Hi Teresa, and then I'll show you one more thing here. This is the gallery page, and I'm going to get rid of this. and just link to your 3 other pages. You can restore this really easily if you want to, but the way I understood it is you want to just link to these 3 different pages. So here's what I'm going to do. We'll go to the gallery page, and I'm sorry, we're on the gallery page. I meant to click the edit the gallery page, and you'll notice there's nothing here. The reason is because if you'll come over here to the right, you'll see the template is the main gallery. So what I've done is there's programming behind the scenes that renders that main gallery. But let's do this. We're just going to make links to your 3 other gallery pages. So for instance, here's your current work page. All right. So I'll look for this image here to use. So let's go to add media here, since that's already in there. Can go to here we go, and let's see if I can find it. Here it is. We'll take this. I will make it a thumbnail, and what we want to do is we want to link to a custom URL. So then this page here that we're looking at here, and let me show you, and when you're in the back end and you've created these pages, the way to look at them is just click view page. So here's the one that you created. So I click view page, and then I can see it. So I'm going to take this link, copy it, get rid of this here, and then the custom URL, that's what we're going to link to. I'm going to plug it in here, and I'm going to do alignment left on all of these, and click insert into page. And actually what I can do, let's change this text here to current work. And we're going to change this to the default template, and I'm just going to update it right now. We'll go to the front of the site just to take a look at this, and I'll add the others in just a minute. So there it is, and then when you click on it, it takes you to that page. So I'm going to go back. Let's find your other. So here's kind of how I work. I'll go to the dashboard, pages, all pages, and let's see, you have current work and archives, right? Let's view archives. There we go. And I'll just use one of these. So we go to edit page. Well, I want to actually insert it here. This is the text view. I want to insert it after this one. So now I'll go back here, and that's where the cursor is going to be. And then I'm going to go to add media. And I'm going to find one of these. You can change this in the future if you'd like, obviously. Just trying to find one that you have on there in the archives. Okay, so I'll use this one. We want to link to a custom URL. I'm copying and pasting the archives link. I'm going to put it in here like this. We're going to align it left. and I'm going to insert into the page. Let's see, I'm gonna edit this, and we're gonna put a caption of archives. So this is the caption. This should show up underneath like the other one, and then I'm gonna update it. I think there'll be a space in there. We'll just see. Hopefully it won't look like that, but it does. Okay. Okay, so it's never a perfect world. What you'd have to do on something like this, and you could always just call me, it's adding some spaces in here with these, which it shouldn't do, and you have to go into the code to fix this. Well, do you? I'm almost, yeah, you'd really need to. Just be a little, and you just need to eliminate those spaces. And then I'll click update. And then view page. And then these will connect to your different galleries. Okay, so I hope that helps, Teresa. And don't ever hesitate just to give me a call or shoot me an email if you're having trouble. I usually tell clients don't spend a lot of time on anything. I just do this all the time. So, all right, thanks.